And there's a V8 in there. There's 500 horses in there. What's amazing about it is you barely hear it. You feel it, but you barely hear it still in the cabin. Very sporty, actually. Really amps things up with the red and such. You get this like dual pane situation for Android Auto, which is happening wirelessly at the moment. You're just wirelessly charging and it's spitting it out. You get this secondary pane because I guess you have a little extra space, and that's going to be your media controls.